Hi, I'm Shakti Vinayagam. Welcomes you all for my short video on electromagnetic waves and its application. Something that surrounds you as a part of your life, some of which you can say or touch or even feel every day, everywhere you go. It's odorless and tasteless. You are using it and depends on it every hour, every day. Without it, the world you know never exists. What is it? Nothing but an electromagnetic waves. An electromagnetic radiation. The waves spread across the spectrum from very short gamma rays to X-rays, ultraviolet rays, visible light rays, even longer infrared waves, microwaves to radio waves, which can even measure longer than a mountain. This spectrum of electromagnetic waves is playing a vital role in our day-to-day life by its variety of applications, such as your radio and players, remote controls, mobile phones, televisions, microwave oven, even a doctor's X-rays. All these are depend on the waves on this electromagnetic spectrum. Electromagnetic waves or EM waves are similar to ocean waves, which transmits energy from one point to another point. These electromagnetic waves are produced by vibrating particles of electric and magnetic fields. But unlike ocean waves that requires water, EM waves can travel even through the vacuum of space at a constant speed of light. Electromagnetic waves have crest and trough like ocean waves. The distance between the two successive crests is called wavelength. The wavelength of these electromagnetic waves are measured in a very long scale, such as meters for some waves, and for some of them are even measured in tiny values such as millions of meters called a nanometer. The number of these crests that passing or crashing at a given point within a second is called frequency of the EM wave. One wave or one complete cycle passing at a given point per second is called its hertz. These long electromagnetic waves, such as radio waves, which are having low frequency and carrying less energy, when we're adding energy to these waves, which increase the frequencies of the wave and makes the wavelength shorter, which leads these gamma rays in the top of the table having shortest wavelength and high energy in the whole EM electromagnetic spectrum. All these concludes the relation between the three important property of EM waves called energy, frequency and wavelength. These two energy and frequencies are proportionate to each other and the energy and the wavelength is inversely proportional to each other. So, as you sit and watching TV, not only of their visible rays from television attracting your eyes, but also radio waves transmitting from nearby radio station, and microwaves which are carrying simple task of your mobile calls and text messages, and many waves from your home Wi-Fi and nearby Wi-Fi devices, and GPS units in your car and tracking devices. So if you look, there is a chaos of waves from all across the spectrum in your room right now. With all these waves around you, how can you possibly watching TV shows? This is because, similar to tuning a radio to a specific station, our eyes can specifically receive the range of electromagnetic spectrum and can detect the energy from a particular wavelength, which is nothing but visible light rays of electromagnetic spectrum. Finally, without which these electromagnetic waves and its variety of applications in our day-to-day life, the digital world what you are living today can never be exist. Thank you.